All new at 10, boiling frustration prompts a Valley man to create the first ever Hispanic Tea Party in South Texas.
Action 4's Astrid Martinez has more.
This June, Armando Vera became the president of the first ever Hispanic Tea Party in the United States. Vera says there's a need for a Hispanic version of this political group, given that 85% of the population of the Rio Grande Valley is of Mexican-American descent.
The first goal is return the basis in this nation, and God is the base. God is the base, and other basis is the values for the family.
Vera adds Hispanics are naturally conservative, and he intends to reach out and inform them about the harm he says liberal policies have on our nation. Vera feels that some Republicans are too politically motivated when it comes to voting.
Every Republican have principles. The political in more occasions no have principles, no have values. One example, the Congress in New York, one Republican congressman voted for the marriage, one man, one woman. Is very, sad.
The first Hispanic Tea Party had their first meeting this past June.
In my heart, I have very expectations for the Hispanic race.
With 25 participants in attendance, local pastor Armando Vera hopes the organization will bring to the political forum a Christian view he deems is largely missing from the political posturing of both major political parties. In McAllen, Astrid Martinez, Action 4 News.
Vera says the Hispanic Tea Party is not just limited to Hispanics. He welcomes anyone who shares his conservative values to attend meetings.